Well, good morning everybody. Thank you very much for coming along on today's adventure. As you can tell, another beautiful morning here in the Okanagan Valley. And we've come down to the lake because, well, when it looks like that, why not? Now, as you know, I had to drop off the Mercedes at the shop the other day, and it's a really good thing I did. Because as it turns out, it was borderline gonna kill me. So yeah, the noise that was getting steadily worse was actually coming from the steering rack area. I'm not 100% sure what, but basically I could have been driving along and the steering wheel would have just not done anything. So, change of this weekend's plans because I'm driving that. A Mazda CX-5. So, I think today we're going to go for a little adventure, just drive around, kind of get used to this thing. And then the next video is going to be the least professional automotive journalism review of a car. Because I literally know nothing about these other than the name. So, like I was saying, yeah, gonna go for a drive today, kind of get used to the car, kind of learn it, because I don't even know how to really even change anything in it other than the radio station. So yeah, we're gonna drive around today. Next video is gonna be me attempting to review a car that I know nothing about, so I'll have to Google some stuff. Hopefully you enjoy this little detour, we'll say, and then once I get some updates on the Mercedes, I'll fill you guys in. But it looks like it could be down for a while. I think parts have to come from Germany, they were saying. So we're gonna head out, take advantage of the beautiful morning, not very much traffic around, and we're gonna see what the road brings us today. The dirt road, and it wasn't even as bad as I thought it was going to be. Definitely not something that you'd want to go up in the winter in a low-slung rear-drive sports car, but during the spring, summer, in a modern all-wheel drive crossover SUV, not a problem at all. So, and this is what we came all the way out here for. There's one view, and then some more views, and then we're going to walk over this way. There's a ton of cars parked here, so I don't know if there's a bunch of people here. So I'll turn the camera off until we find that out. But yeah, we're going to go take a look at some of these other views. Okay, so as it turns out, there's actually some people camping just over there. So we're not going to go over the ridge there, so we're going to stick to this spot. But yeah, look at that view. Beautiful. I don't actually know what that building over there is. It's got to be something to do with mining or logging. Maybe we should go check that out. because that doesn't look that far away. So yeah, maybe that'll be our next adventure. Beautiful. Right. Well, I'm gonna crack out the tripod and the big camera and get some just still images, because this is such a beautiful view. And we're gonna wrap up the video for today. So thank you very much for coming along for the adventure, and be sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because you're not gonna want to miss the next video. It's gonna be hilarious watching me try to tell you about a car that I don't know anything about. So yeah, we're gonna take some pictures and head home. So have a great week, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.